Hey guys, it's me and I'm here with my friend Echo. Say hi, Echo. Okay, so yesterday I introduced you to Echo because this is my friend who I will be using when we review our letters and our sounds. So yesterday we reviewed 3 letters. Today we're going to add 2 more into our review. So remember, I will hold up the card and I will say the letter, the picture, and the sound. And then I'll hold up Echo and we'll say it together. And I want you to be saying it at home, okay? So you can get the practice. Remember, you're not saying anything until you see my friend. Right, Echo? Are they going to be saying anything? When do they say stuff? When they see you? Okay. All right, so don't repeat after me until you see my friend Echo. Okay, so I'm going to put him away. M, man, M, man, N, nut, N, nut, Good job. Let's try that with those 2 again, and then we're going to add the 3 we did yesterday. Okay, ready? M, man, M, man, N, nut, N, nut, Very good job. Okay, so now we are going to do that, but we're going to add in the 3 letters that we learned yesterday. So let me get them all set up here. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Are you ready? T, top, T. T, top, T. Good job, Echo. Doing great. B, bat, B. B, bat, B. F, fun, F, fun. M, man, M, man, N, nut, N, nut, Alrighty. Okay, thank you for watching. Look in Seesaw for your assignment reviewing these letters.